Another shot!
And we're going.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabe Tran. I make weekly videos about culture, societal things, lifestyle, relationships, you name it. So if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Anyways, today's video, how to hit the club. All right, man, so here's the story. I got my boy, Steven. There's this DJ in town that he really wants to see. He was supposed to go with a buddy, but a situation came up where his friend had to cancel on him last minute. Man, you can't let your boy hit the club by himself, so Gabe Tran to the rescue. But anyways, welcome to Gabe Tran's course on Clubbing 101. Alright, I ain't no clubbing connoisseur or expert, but you know, I've been to the club once or twice, maybe more in my lifetime. So, I'm gonna show you guys my process. Not telling you that this is the way to do it, it's just how I do it. Anyways, Steven is on his way to pick me up, so let's go get ready. Alright, man. First thing you gotta do is dress the part. You can't show up to the club like no scrub. And on the other hand, you can't show up to the club in a full-on suit. If you don't know the club's dress code, you can never go wrong with a collared shirt. Alright, let's check out what we got. When picking out a collared shirt, don't go for the all-white one. You don't want to go in there looking like a waiter. Pick something with some style, some color, a little bit of flair, you know? Be in the club, you gotta be noticed. So I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. Got dragonflies on it. Everybody loves dragonflies. Let's do this. Let's put this on. Ooh, not bad if I may say so myself. All right, I think Steven is here, so let's put on the shoes and head out. Which shoes? Gotta hit him with the Chelsea boots. So what's up?
What's going on, guys? It's Spicy.
It's Spicy Steven. You guys might recognize him from a previous video. Tonight's about to be a Gabe and Steve adventure.
Yes, but we're actually gonna pick up our friends right now.
Oh, what? I thought it was just you and me. All right, so I take that back. We're not going alone. We actually are meeting some friends. More the merrier. All right, man, the key to having a good time at the club is you gotta have the right expectations, okay? Especially for you first-time goers. People tend to hype up the club a little bit too much, you know?
Be realistic.
Be realistic. It's just the club, you know? It's nothing crazy.
You can't go to the club expecting bad bitches.
Yeah, which brings me to my next point. You need to have the right mindset, all right? You can't go in there with a mindset that, oh, you're gonna get the girls tonight. No. You gotta go in there with the mindset that you just there to have fun, you know? Let loose.
Yeah.
That should be your #1 goal when you're at the club. If you're having fun, the ladies will come. Sometimes. Not all the time. If you have the mindset of just hunting down the girls, then you just become a creep, all right? You don't want to be that guy.
Yeah, we don't want no scrub.
So, Steven is currently single, right?
Yes.
But he's not going to this club to find girls, all right? He appreciates the DJ, the music, all right? Obviously. And I'm just there to keep one of my best friends company. All right, right now we're on the way. We should be there soon. We gotta
go to Capitol Hill.
Going to Capitol Hill, Seattle's drunk central. But first we gotta make a pit stop somewhere. QFC. Oh shit.
What?
They ain't letting you into the club. The bouncer said, nope, no dogs allowed. Alright, man, next tip for y'all. Grab yourself some juice. You want to stay hydrated, get your vitamin C in, you know, that's crucial for the club. Why don't we get some lemonade? Good old lemonade. Alright. Just got vitamin C? Oh shit. These people got the right idea too. Alright, Steven, pick your poison. Pick your poison. Dark?
Whiskey?
Or light? Which side you want? Hey Steven, I think this is calling your name. A beef eater. I know you like them Costco all beef sausages. So the next step would be to unsober yourself. For y'all non-alcohol drinkers out there, you can skip this step if you want, but trust me, it makes things a lot easier. So yeah, let's get started. But this is not alcohol. This is actually just yellow colored water in a glass bottle. Strictly for visual demonstration purposes only, all right? This is a simulation. We are not, I repeat, we are not consuming alcohol. Can't forget the juice. I'm gonna have the honors of drinking this protein shake. Delicious.
I just love
some lemonade
too.
To go with that. Cheers. Tommy boy is here.
Hey, salami. It's our
Tommy salami.
6 month anniversary.
Oh, so cute.
Hit the dab.
Oh shit, I'm hella red. The fuck?
Happy 6 months.
Thank you, thank you.
Happy 6 months.
Yes.
Admission fee is you guys
One
gotta
shot.
drink this protein shake.
Here's one minute.
Mmm. Delicious. Protein shake. Gains. Y'all ready to hit the club?
Yep. Ready. We going.
You guys don't sound lit enough. You guys gotta turn it up for the vlog.
Go, boy. We gonna get lit. We gonna get lit.
Alright, let's go. Just kidding. We corny. We corny. Alright, Thomas. Do you got any tips and advice for the first time club goers out there?
Don't be afraid to dance a little bit if you don't know how to dance. You just gotta go for it.
Alright, so does that mean we're gonna see you throw some moves tonight?
You're not ready for it.
Hey,
Not ready.
hey, people say white boys can't dance, but my guy, Thomas.
Half Vietnamese. Half Vietnamese.
I kind of failed at this. I didn't realize I didn't have a ticket to this event. I don't know if I can get in or not, but let's see what we can do. All right, we're trying the good old lick and transfer. Let's see if this works. All right, moment of truth.
Trust the process.
Oh! It fucking worked.
It worked.
It worked. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you. The bouncer even gave me a new stamp. Look at that. Trust the process. So the first thing you want to do when you get to the club is you gotta feel out the vibe. Vibes seem kind of chill. Nobody really turning up right now. You don't want to be that guy just going too ham when everyone else is just chilling. So once you feel out the vibe, next step, get more drinks, get more drinks, get more unsober. Alright, can I get 3 Long Islands?
Catch me.
Wait a minute.
Alright, I know what y'all thinking. Long Island, that's a girly drink. But I like Long Islands, okay? Don't hate on me. Cheers. So the next thing you gotta do is you gotta dance. You can't be in a club and not dance, right? But if you guys don't know how to dance, let me show you guys a real simple move. It's called 2-step. It goes like this. 1, 2. Alright, repeat after me. 1, 2. Easy, easy. Then all you gotta do is the rest of your body with it, alright? You gotta show them your favorite dance move.
My favorite dance move.
Hey! Hey!
Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on.
When you're wearing a button-up shirt, this is how it works. 1 button down, you a gentleman. 2 buttons, you kind of lit. Thomas, his level, use a hoe. Next tip I got is know when to dip out. You don't want to stay until the very end. When the lights turn on, things get a little weird. So you gotta know when to move on to the next place.
Another shot.
And we're going.
And we're gone, we're gone. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, someone knocked these over. Steven is a good citizen, so he is gonna...
Kind of heavy.
Come on, man, I thought you lift.
I don't think.
I thought you lift.
I think I need help.
That's our good deed for today. Now, time to get more lit. Reunited with the bang. The whole crew here. Yo, what up, Zach?
How's it going?
Hi.
Kalina! Happy late birthday! Hey!
What's good? We got the whole crew back here. We got Gabe right here, bro.
Diamond District in the chain. Certified, you know I'm
Hey! I'm in Gabe's vlog. He's in my vlog.
It's a romantic moment.
Oh my goodness.
It's like, baby girl,
Baby.
I want you. Okay.
I'm locked up for now, but I'll be out soon.
Oh, no.
Just wait for me, babe. And that's how you club. But anyways, I hope you guys found that insightful. I tried my best to make something out of that. If there is one thing to take away from this, it would be to have the right mindset. Anyways, let me know in the comments below if you found that at all useful. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I don't go out often, okay? This is just once in a while. So, yeah. Alright. Gabe Tran signing out. Peace.